Who is the world's largest exporter of goods? China has been the world's largest exporter of goods since 2009, with exports reaching $3.75 trillion in 2024. China, which is sometimes referred to as the world's factory, supplies a wide range of manufactured goods to countries around the globe. Phones, especially smartphones, are among China's top exports. The U.S. recently lost its place as China's largest trading partner to Mexico. China continues to maintain strong trade relationships with the European Union, Japan, and South Korea. Leading Chinese export production has a large number of dominant industries that create products and materials for export. In 2025, the top 6 product groups with the highest value of exports were China's top 6 export product groups in 2025 category value USD. Percentage of total exports: electrical machinery and equipment 1,026,9 machinery, including computers 603 billion, 16 vehicles to 483 billion, 6 plastics 142 billion, 3 furniture, bedding, lighting, signs, prefabricated buildings 1178 billion, 3 iron or steel items 1078 billion, 2.9. Major trading partners of China. Of China's main trading partners are its geographically close neighbors, Japan and South Korea. China has done a great deal of business with the U.S. as well. Although the U.S. has labeled China a currency manipulator amid substantial trade tensions, due to those trade difficulties with the U.S., China lost its position as the top exporter of goods to the U.S. in 2023. U.S. goods imports from China fell to $427 billion in 2023, down over 20% from $536 billion in 2022. Mexico was the lead exporter of goods to the U.S. as of September 2024, followed by China and Canada. China also has had significant trade relations with the EU. The EU was China's largest trading partner early in the 21st century. China is the EU's third largest trading partner after the United States and United Kingdom. For further important information, please subscribe. Burhan Finance. The channel focuses of personal finance, investment, and capital market.